guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys some bullet journal spreads for YouTubers. These are spreads that I use to help me stay more organized on my YouTube channel. So I want to share these spreads with you guys. Maybe you guys can incorporate it into your bullet journal and help you become more organized if you do have a YouTube channel. So let's get started. So for the first spread, I did a goals and review spread. So normally this is where I write down all of my goals I have for the month for my YouTube channel, and any type of review that I do at the end of the month for my YouTube channel also goes on this page. So at the top of the page, you want to write the month. So after that, I do a line under the month, and then the next section is for my goals. So this is where I write all of my goals when it comes to my YouTube channel. Underneath the goals section, I am dividing the page into two parts. So the left hand side is going to be for the beginning of the month, and the right side is going to be for the end of the month. After that, I put in the things that I want to keep track of for that month. So for me, that's my subscribers, my watch time, and my views. And then I just write the same thing on the right hand side. For the last section on this page, I do a little review section for the end of the month. So the things that I like to go over are the videos that did good that month. So I'll just put popular videos and put my top 3 videos that did good that month. Underneath that section, I do a section called work on. So these are just things that I need to work on for the next month when it comes to my YouTube channel. After that, I did go in and highlighted the goals section and the beginning of the month, end of the month comparison, and then my popular videos and my review section. This spread is really good for setting goals each month for your YouTube channel and also seeing your growth at the beginning of the month to the end of the month and seeing exactly what you need to work on for the next month. So for my next spread, I did my video ideas spread. So this is where I write all of my video ideas that I might have for the month. So at the top of the page, I just wrote in video ideas. Then I wrote in my video categories. This is really good if you have multiple categories that you touch in your videos. So I have lifestyle, college, and adulting. Those are the topics that I try to make my video ideas around. So this is a good section, especially if you have multiple niches that you talk about in your videos on your channel. If you don't have multiple niches, you don't really have to organize the video ideas in that way. Maybe you can do it on a weekly basis. So maybe week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. But yeah, if you don't have multiple niches, then you don't have to write out those categories like I do. For my next spread, I did my monthly video layout. So I use this page to show what videos will be uploaded and when they will be uploaded. So at the top of the page, I just put in my month, and then you would start like a regular calendar layout. So I draw in all of my lines for my calendar. Then at the top of the page, I just write in Sunday through Saturday, and then write in all of my numbers in my calendar. So the key to my monthly video layout is that I have a different color for the days that I actually upload, and then a different color for the days that I don't upload. So I try to upload every Tuesday and Thursday. That's what I've been trying to keep as my schedule. So on my calendar, I highlight those 2 days out of the week. So depending on whenever your upload schedule is, you will highlight those days. So this spread makes it a lot easier for me to go back and see exactly when I want to upload certain videos based on my upload schedule. For my next spread, I did my video checklist. This is my favorite spread of all of them. This has really helped me when it comes to making sure I have everything ready for each video and staying more organized on what I need to do for each video. So along the side of the page, I did my title, which is video checklist. Then I divided the page into 2 sections. At the top of the page, I wrote in my video. So this is where I'm going to be putting in all of my video ideas. And then on the other section, I put in my process when it comes to uploading a video. So from start to finish, which is I plan the video, I film the video, I edit the video, I create my thumbnail, and then I upload the video. So those are my sections that I have. So this is really helpful for me because I will just go in and write down the video ideas that I want to execute for the month. And as I do these tasks, I can just check them off as I go. That way I know exactly what I need to do for each video and keep me on task. So normally I will list the video ideas from the beginning of the month to the end of the month. That way they are in order of when I want to upload them, and I know which ones are more priority than others. As I finish a task when it comes to that particular video, I will just go in and check off what I have done. Another thing that I do on my checklist is I'll highlight those sections off as I go. That way visually I can see what I need to work on and what I have already finished. For my next spread, I do a work log. So I like a work log because that way I can see how many hours I am putting into my channel. I think this is really good to help me keep track of what I am doing when it comes to making content and how much time I am spending on making the content. So I wrote work log at the top of the page. Then I divided the rest of the page into 4 sections. So each section is dedicated for a week in the month. And then I start to put in my graph. So at the top of the section, I'll write in week 1, or you can write a specific date of the week, which I would totally suggest. That way you know exactly which week it is. On the x-axis, I wrote in my days of the week, so Sunday through Saturday. And then on the y-axis, I'm putting in the amount of hours. So there are 2 ways that you can fill in your graph. You can do a bar graph or you can do a line graph. So on week 2, I did show you guys how you can fill it in the line graph way. Again, this is all about preference, but I personally like how the bar graph looks. After that, I did go back in and color in the graph. Yeah, but that is it for my bullet journal spreads for YouTubers. This is the final flip through. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.